2017 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, power door locks, CD player, power windows, side airbag, clock, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, overhead console, tachometer, power mirrors, rear view camera, tilt steering wheel, power outlets, vanity mirrors. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.